It's really a platform for collecting a lot of data around environmental health and safety, security, quality, all of these different operational risk elements. We're able to actually do more with that through the dashboards.
We are able to provide an instant picture for our top management. They may not want to know the small details in the data.
Entropy is very intuitive. If you do one thing, you're doing the same thing through most of the modules. We like what we're using, and I think there's even more for us to do with it.
We want to go above and beyond compliance. This will give us a better platform for tracking all of that.
We found Entropy to be a very vital tool and positive tool for building sustainable, positive safety cultures.
Bringing together both the consulting knowledge as well as technology to make an easy and efficient solution for our clients.